Today I'll show you how to jailbreak an Amazon Firestick in 2022. So it's actually not that difficult. We only need to get a couple of apps. So the first thing we're gonna do is download an app called Downloader. So go to search and type Downloader here. So as you can see, it already popped out here at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, then just type in the full name of application. Select, and here's the app that we got to download. So I already have it on my device, but in case you don't have it yet, make sure to download it. One more thing I want to mention is that if you're watching my video and you go to the description, you'll see some links, because some of you guys ask, for example, what computer screen am I using, what TV or microphone am I using. So I added links here to Amazon, to all the hardware and gear that I'm using, and also some free trial links such as for Amazon Prime. So that link would give you 1 month of service for free, and same with Audible, Amazon Family, or Amazon Music. And to be totally transparent, yes, if you buy something through my link, I will get a small affiliate commission on that. However, that's not going to cost you anything extra. The price would be totally the same as on regular Amazon website. However, this way you would support the channel, and that would be really kind of you. Now back to the video. So next thing we gotta do is go to settings and then select My Fire TV. And what we're gonna do here is enable the developer options. As you can see, they are already present on my device. But if you do not see the developer options feature here, then firstly go to About, select the Fire TV stick here and press on your select button for 7 times. Now, as you can see at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. In my case, in your case, it's going to say that you've become a developer now. So go back a bit. You'll finally see developer options here. Turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, press here, and make sure to turn that option on for the downloader. That basically is going to allow you to install any app from the App Store, and that's how we are going to install a new App Store, which is better than original Amazon App Store. Then we're gonna go back to our home screen and finally select the downloader. And then we gotta go to that search bar, and here just type Apptoid TV. So Apptoid is gonna be like a new app store, but it's way better than Amazon App Store, and it has way more different apps. So once again, it's called Apptoid TV. Also, you can add a Word APK, which basically is going to search for the installation file of Apptoid, and hit on go. So a browser open here, we see a lot of links, but honestly, I would always recommend to use the APK mirror when downloading any APK files to your Android device or a Firestick, because it is a pretty legitimate website, and the APKs here are checked for viruses to make sure there are no viruses in those files. So we open the page and scroll down a bit, looking for a download button, and here we go. Press on download APK. And now the download has started. We gotta wait a bit. Select install in the right bottom corner. Now you gotta press on done. And press delete. This way we are deleting the installation file because we do not need it anymore. And before actually using the Apptoid, we gotta go to settings once again. Select My Fire TV. Now we gotta go to developer options, install unknown apps, and turn on that option for Apptoid. Then go back to home screen, to the list of your applications. And here's the Apptoid that we just downloaded. I'm not going to open that app and show it here because YouTube actually does not like that. But when you open it, you'll see loads and loads of apps that you can download and install to your Firestick. And that's, my man, how you jailbreak a Firestick in 2022. And if the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and of course sub my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Have a good one.